Live, and I cannot wait to show you what is all around me and who is right here with me. And so this is going to be so cool. All right, so I'm going to give you a big hint right now. I'm going to use one of these new Instagram features, and I'm going to just do a little switch. So see this box? That is where I am, everybody. We are at the Haus of Stems, and Kristen's here with me. Whoops, let me gotta switch it back. Nobody wants to see me. Say hi. All right, great.
Hi, everyone. Hey, Instagram.
Hey.
I'm so happy to have Scott here today.
That's so awesome. Okay, so who's this little furry friend?
This is Archer. He's our house dog.
Hey, Archer. How you doing?
He does a lot of work. He creates a lot of work, but he's a good boy.
Oh, look at that. He's even got a toy. Isn't that cool?
Instagram loves dogs.
Yes, they do. Well, I'm so thrilled to be able to show some of these flowers because I have been just going crazy over them. I don't even know where to start. Guys, look at all these flowers. Let's start over here. And I don't know if you've ever seen their anthuriums before, but look at this. Let me see if I can let me pull one out here. And we've got this light. Look at this. Isn't this crazy? It's
Iridescent, yeah.
Very. So what's the name of this one?
These are actually custom stems for a customer. So
you can do custom stems.
Yeah, we do custom stems. And this is for a specific installation in New York City.
Wow.
Next week.
Oh, how cool. Well,
yeah.
It is so...
It's got some infrared finish on there.
There's so many.
That's a new one. We call her Guava.
How fun.
She's a fun summer stem.
So while we're looking at these amazing flowers, how long have you been doing this?
Haus of Stems, we started in January of this year. That one's Sherbert.
I just love that two-tone. To me, this would be good like at Mardi Gras or something.
It reminds you a little bit of Mardi Gras, definitely.
Yeah.
So we started doing this. I mean, I've been making Iridescent Anthurium since 2019. But we opened it up to the public in January of this year and have had a really good response. So
it's insane. They're just so beautiful. Really bold, like this one here.
Yeah, that's 11th hour. She's sassy. She's bold.
She's sassy.
Yeah.
And then, so how many different colors do you produce? I guess if you do custom, you can do anything you want.
Right now, we've got I want to say 22 live on the site, but we change seasonally based on the best of what's available and what kind of the market is demanding. So when we first launched, there was some dark purples and some moody colors, and now that we're moving into summer, there's some more summery things, and come fall and winter, we'll kind of adjust again.
Yeah, because you can customize it for the seasons and everything else.
And we definitely do customs for clients as they ask. We had a custom one for a wedding. It was a beautiful wedding, and the bride's name was Jewel, and she was obsessed with dark purple, so we made one just for her that we called Jewel.
Yeah.
So we can do a lot of stuff like that too, which is really fun because it gets to be a collaborative process.
That is Requiem. It's a subtle.
Yeah, what's this one here?
This one is Del Mar, brand new.
This one's Requiem?
That's Requiem.
Yeah.
And then these are Seafoam.
And this is one of the new ones you just came up with?
Yeah. This is Loud and Proud. It's celebrating Pride. And proceeds are going towards the Trevor Project to support at-risk youth for...
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing. We're just so excited to be sharing them with the floral community.
Yeah, some people are commenting here. It says, not a fan of anthuriums, but these are really fun. Yes, Missy, they really are. I mean, each one's like a work of art. It's really... They're
individually hand-painted.
Which, just
That's
the love goes into each one.
And then there's 11th Hour also with you in that bucket.
Now, is this the same as that other one?
That's Cloud 9 right there that you're holding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean...
Oh, and then there's some prototypes
Oh, okay. So
You know,
we can
I
see
don't
them here
know.
first.
You guys can be the first looks, but we have definitely have some nudes probably coming to be offered soon by Haus of Stem. Some neutral tones that, you know, we really haven't had before. We have a pretty large demand for bridal audience right now, so we're definitely trying to. Where are the rest of those nude guys?
And then you've got the pinky underneath there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This guy right here is hiding.
There we go.
And then the lavender.
Yeah, this lavender.
We need help naming this one.
Yeah.
Anybody have ideas?
Anyone have
for
an
this
idea?
Oh my god, let me see that again, because just the way that light that's the thing I love about these is the light just every angle makes them look just a little bit different.
Yeah, and then these are part of our summer series that we'll be offering soon. This is poolside. We don't have what is Daybreak? We're naming this one Daybreak.
Love it.
And then I don't know, this one reminds me of pistachio ice cream.
It does.
We'll figure out a really good name.
Yeah. So this is another prototype. It's a little bit dark for all you moody florists out there, because I know you exist. Those jewel tones.
I don't know what you're talking about now. That's amazing. Oh, we're getting some fun comments here.
Bayou.
So, oh my goodness, it's just amazing. Could see the neutrals in wedding settings. I love anthuriums. These are just banging. Pearlescence. Oh, that could be a fun name.
Oh, yeah.
Mint julep.
Ooh.
Great name. Ooh, that
I
could
like
be kind of
that.
fun. Yeah.
Very summery.
Yeah.
Super Kentucky Derby.
Very Kentucky Derby. It's just okay.
These are grapefruit.
Oh, this is grapefruit.
Subtle, but also very like bright and summery.
And one of the things you were telling me earlier was how long they last.
Yeah, with proper care, they last honestly beyond 6 weeks. We have, I'd say like definitely 3. What you do is, we call them diva baths. And anytime that your stem starts to get slightly dehydrated, you just trim the bottom about like a 1/4 inch and you submerge the entire stem underwater. They hydrate by being underwater, and the paint doesn't flake, it doesn't come off, it's waterproof. So any brides that are concerned about anything coming off on white dresses, that's not gonna happen. They last really well in the heat. Honestly,
because it's like they're sealed.
Superpower Anthurium.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Superpower. I like that.
So,
Look at these minis, y'all.
Oh, yeah, these are going to be new. We're offering them this week. Cat's out of the bag now.
Going on, they're going on the website. Is that what you're saying?
Mini Madness. Yeah. Yeah.
Puddle jumper.
Yeah, because we offer flights for our large stems. And you know, like a puddle jumper is like a small plane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could pull it up.
What's really cool about the minis is that you can't always predict what colors you're going to get. So this is a place where Kristen kind of lets the stem inspire her, and they just become whatever they are. They tell her who they want to be, and then that's how they are born.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, this would be just an assortment.
Yeah, you could easily put that in a boutonniere, bridesmaid bouquets, corsages.
I don't want to.
Oh yeah, that's okay. We'll put it back. I love this vase though, right? We just got it. It's so cute.
Yeah, I'm.
What's your favorite stem,
I don't
Scott?
know. It's so funny. I'm going to be guilty as charged. I think the moody one was the one that the one you said earlier. I think this is probably.
It's a good one.
This one is just. Let me see here if I can show you. So, like at this angle, you see it being coppery and such. All right, we'll try to talk a little louder. Thank you so much. But then look at how you just change it, and it's like you see the green, or kind of more of an orange kind of a tone. I think, and we were talking about me being a Gemini, so I think that's why I like this one, because I can embrace all my many moods. So that's pretty incredible. So that's probably my favorite, but it's really hard. It's like picking favorite children. It's next to impossible.
I don't know. I love all of them for different reasons. So,
I mean, I feel like especially, can people send you like a mood board?
That's our favorite thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll create from a mood board. So you work with a client, you guys have a palette, specific flowers you're using. I create custom stems to tie the palette together and add just like that little bit of like extra, you know. It's kind of like floral caviar. Just like it's like the cherry on top of an arrangement. It just sort of makes it a little bit different and something really extra special for like a special occasion or a wedding or a party or, you know, a delivery that's really special. So it adds a little bit of an extra oomph.
Sure. Well, it's great. So Tim says that the Moody one really dances for me too. Looks like a Christmas beetle. I'm like, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's really, it's interesting. Well, they're mesmerizing. That's the word. And I know as I've continued to just find some that have, I don't know if you can see it on this one here. What's this one called again?
That's Tris.
I don't know how y'all keep these all.
We really take our time naming them. We want them to tell us what they want to be named, and we think it kind of adds to their personality.
Oh yeah.
So
check out the descriptions that we put on our website. They're so fun. Jess, who's our behind the scenes guru, has some literary gifts, and she puts together these really beautiful stories about each of the stems and their names, and I definitely encourage you guys to check it out. The website's on our Instagram, which is Haus of Stems, and you can just find the link in our bio.
Yeah, awesome. All right, I'm gonna put Jessica on the spot. So there's Jessica. Wave, Jessica! Woohoo!
watching a live from my phone.
Oh, that's all good.
Oh man, yeah.
Oh
yeah,
my goodness.
She makes everything happen. So.
Well, everybody, you see it here, and it's just crazy, just these colors. And what I'm excited about, and I know we've been talking.
Can you tell we've been friends for 10 years?
I know.
We're accidentally matching.
Yes, I know. They didn't plan this at all. And so I'm just excited about the possibilities of what else you're going to create. So
yeah, we're just getting started. So the Anthuriums are our debut stem, but stay tuned because Haus of Stems is not just going to be offering. There's going to be some new things on the menu.
You say stems for a reason because you can have more than one.
Of course. Yeah.
All right, everybody. We will post the link, and when we share this video live, we will be sure to do that. All right, y'all? So just stay tuned. And thanks so much about loving the podcast. That's always great. So everybody, I hope you have a good evening. I guess we're doing Monday Flower. What is it? The football? I don't know.
Monday Mini Madness.
Mini Madness. There you go. Yes.
We got our little minis.
In honor of the minis. Isn't that great? Yeah. All right. Awesome, y'all. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you. I called you Jessica. Kristen, Jessica. There you go. All right. I just made everybody sick. All right. Thanks for sharing the link, Jessica. All right. Take care.